And now you should be back on the WordPress dashboard, and now we are good to go and we can move on to the next step. So now what we're going to do is install our SSL certificate to secure our e-commerce website. And if you're on the WordPress dashboard right now, you should see this notification. And if you want to learn more about the SSL certificate, you can click on this link right here. But pretty much what we're going to do is make our website have the HTTPS. And the S stands for secure. And that really helps when you're transmitting private information between two different computers over the internet. So I'm going to show you how to install this for free. So what I want you to do is go back to your email inbox and open up that email from InMotion that was titled Welcome to InMotion Hosting. And again, you're going to come down here to the account management panel section. And if you haven't already, you're going to create a password for the account management panel. So just click on this button right here and it'll log you into your InMotion account. So you should be on this dashboard page right here. And so if you need to, you can pause the video if I've gone a little too fast, but you want to come to the account management panel. And then down here in the domain section for your website that you're creating, you should see this button that says Manage Free Basic SSL. Go ahead and click on that. And now you should be on the Manage Free SSL page. And what I want you to do is come over here to where it says Eligible Domains and check the website address for your website. And then click on this button that says Check Eligibility. And you should see this check mark right here. And then what I want you to do is come down here to where it says Enable Free SSL and click this button to turn this on. And then click on this button right here if you haven't already that says Run Check Now. And this might take up to 20 minutes, but what it's going to do is process the enabling of the free SSL so that your website is secure. So if you need to, you can take a break right now and just come back in 10 or 20 minutes, and then we can move on to the next step. All right, and so in about 10 or 20 minutes, you should be able to come back to your WordPress dashboard. And once you come back here now, after everything is set up with the SSL, what you can do is come down on the left-hand side on your WordPress dashboard to Settings, and then click on General. And once you're on the General Settings tab, all you want to do is come to where it says HTTP, and then put in an S after the P. And then same with the site address right here. Make sure that everything else is the same and you have your colon after the HTTPS. So double and triple check this, that you have it in this spot and this spot, so you don't mess up your WordPress website. And then come down to the bottom and just click on the Save Changes button. And once everything is saved, you might be logged out of your WordPress dashboard. And if you are, just log right back in and you should be good to go. So now you have the SSL set up for your e-commerce website, and now your website should be secure. Okay, so once you do that, we are good to go. And now we can move on to the next step.